Hello everyone, Dr.Happywolf here, aka Brendan Vandenberg, welcoming you back to another video guys, and welcoming you to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Now, this is a problem I've been encountering for probably about a good a good amount of time this game has been in development. This has honestly been one of the hardest problems I've experienced, just the whole picking up system and whatnot, but this is my first real game, so outside of making games in Scratch, Tinker, a little bit of Robotic Studio. Um, so, this tutorial is based off a video by Game Studio Guide called Move, Push, and Grab Objects in UE4. I'll be sure to put that, hopefully, in the top right corner of the screen, if not in the description below. So, essentially the problem that I've been encountering, and maybe you guys as well, is that I pick up this shopping cart. Yes, I am using a shopping cart for this game, just as the other tutorial is. This game is called Left with the Milk, so, you know. And yeah, as you can see, that's a swell right here. And this shopping cart is not supposed to be going through the wall. So, yeah, that's strange. And, you know, this has just been a really annoying problem to fix. Collision works fine when it's, placed down, but once it's in the inventory, that's weird. And you can also do one of those, which I actually haven't messed with fixing that. But oh, I shouldn't have said that. Oh my goodness, guys, I've tried making this tutorial so many times, and I keep saying weird things. But pretty much in this tutorial, I am gonna at least fix the problem where it clips through. So hopefully, when you drop it, it won't clip through anything. So what we're gonna do is we are going to open, which I already have it open, but go to wherever you have your player at. I have my player up here, and as you can see, the player has a capsule component. So this is basically, this is the collision itself. Okay, and so, just to show you this works, and okay. What we are going to be doing is we are going to be in the code, in the script, we are going to be, this, I'm using blueprints, but in there we are going to be changing the radius of this, and to show you what this does. So by default it's at 34. That might not be the same for every capsule, but let's say I increase this to 88. Okay, we could see that with this yellow button right here, we are able to reset the default later, which will come in handy. But we're going to compile this, gonna go back into the game, and we could see that if we walk up to this wall, a little bit farther off from it. Sorry, my dog is whining. He's in my room because he's being a bit ornery dog. Yeah, stay in here with me, buddy. But yeah, we can see I can't even pick this up because I expanded the radius of this, and the collision is just, it's expanded. It can even go through this door as before I was able to, right? So what I came up with, which that's helpful, but that'd be even more helpful with the collision being a lot bigger if we were holding the shopping cart or whatever item it may be. So if we open up the character again, what I did is there is this set capsule radius node. So drag over your capsule component from the components menu up here, and out of this you can just type in set capsule set capsule radius right there. You can also change the size. You can also change the height. So yeah, as you can see, that's what I did right here. And then out of your, I think in the tutorial it's called can get or something like that. Whatever that variable is. Hopefully, if you did follow that tutorial, you recognize this code right here. It's pretty much in between the set visibility and the set visibility and oh my goodness. Okay, so this is for dropping. But this is in between the set visibility and the branch. So when dropping it, if it's true, this is going to be when we drop it. It will reset to the normal size, and then when we go to pick it up, which my pickup code for that is here. It's a bit longer because I have a lot more items. If you guys want me to go more in depth about how I have multiple items, I would be glad to do that. And then I guess for this one, out of false, we will increase the size. So by default, the radius is, which I should probably reset it for this, is 34. And we want it to increase because we have a shopping cart. So I took the time to just, increase this by different amount of numbers, and 112 was what worked for me. Make it lower, make it higher, whatever your model mesh is, but this is what I found worked the best. And yeah, so by increasing this is going to increase the capsule, which therefore makes it to where we won't collide with walls and all that. And then, of course, when we drop it, we're going to go back to normal. So that's why I have the set, capsule thingy down here. So compile that, save it. Saving is always important. Never know when something will go wrong. So let's press play, see how this works. So, we're able to, we have our normal 34 capsule radius. We're able to fit through things. Having a jolly good time. Alright, okay. So then we go over here to the shopping cart. We could pick it up. Now, if we go to some of these walls, oh, look at that. It's not clipping through like it was at the beginning of the tutorial. How wonderful is that? So yeah, if we try to go through the door here, oh, we can't go through the door because we have a shopping cart. We're too big. So yeah, if we try to, let's hit this boombox. Ah, we hit the boombox. Oh no, we can't go through it. Why? Because we have a shopping cart. As shopping carts should work for the most part. For the most part, it works for this, right? It works for this. So I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys do want to see any more tutorials, I'd be glad to make them. Not the most expert at Unreal Engine 4, still learning. But as I make progress and I feel like, hey, I've been stuck on this problem, I want to help others, I'll keep making tutorials. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye!